When you first unbox a Compak grinder, it will be in pre-select mode as standard. This mode ensures that the micro switch engages the motor to deliver the desired dose highlighted on the screen. You may want to change the way the grinder operates depending on your preference. To do this, hit Menu, Setup Settings, Operating Mode, and scroll to your preferred method. Hit OK. Instant Mode disengages the micro switch, allowing you to dispense your desired dose by touching the 1, 2 or 3 button. Automatic Mode disengages the 1, 2 and 3 buttons, instead requiring you to hit the micro switch once for dose 1, twice for dose 2 and 3 times for dose 3. Pre-select mode is usually recommended for effective workflow.